What's up, guys? This is another video, and we just landed a helicopter right in front of right in front of a high school. Yeah. We were over.
You need more?
We were over there. We seen it riding, and then I came running, and there's this big helicopter, and they're gonna put a man on to that metal thing right there, and they're gonna fly it up to that pole. So
You're really gonna do that?
that's gonna be pretty cool. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they're gonna fly it up to that pole. So it's gonna be pretty awesome. So it's pretty awesome, guys. Can't. This is awesome. We were just playing some football. See this thing landed. This is oh my god. Well, we thought Ty's phone was dead. And he just came over to take a picture of it. Was it dead?
Ooh, it's turning on right now.
What if it just died right when you turn it on? So guys, this is really cool. From my little
Get out with one hand.
yeah. Subscribe, guys. Like the video. Yeah, subscribe and like. Wow, follow me around.
No. Dude, where's the football?
I'm with.
Did you leave it?
Yeah, let's.
Yeah.
Dude, what if somebody stole the football?
I'm with afterwards. Let's get in. Bye, baby.
You're not even.
Hi.
Oh, I got
I'm not
it!
videotaping?
Yes!
Yeah. Yeah. There's a guy right here that's doing tricks, and we're just videotaping him because he's really good at them. Saying caution right here. And I'll be back when it takes off. Bye.
We should all take